Hello everyone, welcome to Tableu training. In this lecture, we are going to discuss in detail about the Tableu filter by Shelve. Right? We have seen in the previous video all the four types. In that, first type is filter by Shelve. For that, let me create one sample bar chart. So sales based on the category I have created, we got bar chart in the designing area. By default it is created. If you want, we can change the view by columns to rows by columns by swapping the columns. So this is the bar chart we have created. So for that, to filter based on the category, drag the category column and drop in the filter cell. Then automatically a dialog box will get open. So if you observe closely, the dialog box has got 4 tabs. One is general, wildcard, condition, top. So I'll be explaining all these tabs available and almost each and every option which is useful in this video. So first we'll go with the general. So in general, if you see, one is the selection from the list, custom list, and use all. So and then here if you see all the values right available in the category, furniture, supply, office supply is available. If you want everything, click on all. By default it's all. If you don't want anything, click on none and click on apply. Right? If you go back and observe, everything would have gone away. So again, if you go to edit, so to edit the filter, right, you can go here and click on edit filter. So now you can select all. Suppose if I want only 2, right? Only 2, I don't want furniture. So just uncheck the furniture and click on apply, click on OK. Now we see only office supplies and technology has been selected. So at any point, if you don't want the filter, drag and drop outside, right? So in the same thing to explain, again I am putting the filter on the cell. So there is one checkbox called exclude. So if you click on exclude, everything will be excluded, right? So similarly, let me go and show one more time. So uncheck the exclude. So if you click on exclude now, only 2 will be excluded. 2 will be excluded and furniture will be available in the bar chart, in the visualization, right? So this is how it will work. Let me go and explain a few more options here. Now if you closely observe summary here in the same general tab, so we have selection, excluded option is selected and 2 out of 3 are selected, and then wildcard, we have all wildcard, and condition there is no condition, and the limit also nothing, right? So this is how the general tab will work. Now let me go to the wildcard. So for that, before that, let me select everything, uncheck the exclude, click on apply, right? Now click on the wildcard. So here wildcard, if you observe closely, we have few normal, like wildcard selection options contains starting with and ends with exact match, right? So let me go with the starting with first. Since we know the office supplies is starting with O, let me go and click on O, search with O, and click on apply and OK. So now we see only office supplies selected. And at any point, if you don't want the filter, you can come here and clear it, right? Ends with. So ends with, we have technology is there, right? So let me go and show you all the values again. So technology, at the end we have Y, right? So for that, I would like to search with Y at the end. So click on the option ends with. So here it's, if you put the capital Y, it will not come because Tableu is case sensitive in searching the wildcard. So we can try also. So it has come. So sometimes it is the wildcard case sensitive. So let me put with the small letter itself. Click on apply, click on OK. So this is how Tableu wildcard options will work. So here also we can exclude. Here also we can exclude. So we can exclude the y. It doesn't. It means like the does not end with y. The moment I selected the exclude option, right? Automatically the radio button options has been changed. Does not contain. Does not start with. Does not end with. Does not match. So it's quite opposite to normal selection, right? So click on apply, click on OK. So remaining two values have come. So this is how wildcard options are available in Tableu. So I'll clear it and clear it for next filter, right? To explain. Okay. Now the third option, condition, right? The third tab for the condition. For the condition based on the filter, I would like to introduce two more columns. It will be more meaningful. Let me drag subcategory as well, right? And then let me remove category, not required. Subcategory based on the customer and the quantity, right? So for this customer name, I would like to filter based on the condition. So here, if I select the condition, we have options by field. So here, by field, all the fields will be available. So click on the quantity. Any quantity, any field we can select. But if it is meaningful and there is a values exist, click on the load. We'll get the actual values. So there is something problem with the data. Let me pull the correct one. We cannot search the subcategory sales based on the customer. My apologies. We have to search to prove that, like I'll again one more time drag the customer and then click on the condition. Here, if you see the sales, right, the column name is sales and then quantity is selected. When we load, click on the load, you can see that whether we are going on the correct path or not for the calculation. So if it is null means we cannot do this kind of calculation, right? So click on cancel and then select the right criteria. So for that we need to go to product name and subcategory and quantity. We're going to select the condition, right? So click on the condition tab and by field and then quantity. Click on quantity. Now we see load. So we can see the minimum sum of this one and maximum is this one, right? So here in this range you can keep what are the values we required, right? Let me say 50. Click on apply, click on OK. Only those values will be appearing in the filter. So click on edit filter. At any time we can go and change the values, right? On condition also we can change it here greater than 50, right? Click on apply, click on OK. So here the criteria is we have to choose the right selection, based on which columns we have to we can apply the filter, condition filter. At any time we can drag and drop outside to remove it. Now the last one, we do have top tab, right? Filter in the fourth type. In the filter we have fourth type. So for that, drag on the subcategory to filter cell and then click on top. So this is top 5 sales or top 3 sales or bottom 5 sales to analyze the performance of, like how the sales is being for each subcategory. Right? This is very simple one by selecting the by field and then top 3, we can click on apply. So we can see that the top 3 has been selected. Similarly, to check the bottom, we can go click on here, and here we have the field called, like the top and bottom LOV. Select the bottom 3, click on apply. So like this we can see the top 3. Now we have only few items. If suppose if you have choose very big visualization, right, in that one we can see the top and bottom in easy way by applying this filter. Hopefully you understand the filters. Thanks for watching this session. Thank you.